Okay, so we got these cut off. Already cut the pipe off, and we're gonna extend it out. Okay, so we're gonna take it off from here, and I need the connection. I need a valve, ball valve or something like that for 3/4 inch. Okay, so basically here's the new connections. We haven't done that side yet because this valve is leaking, so we got to change that. But we connected the old, and we got new connections soldered up in there, going all the way to the inside. Okay. All right, so we hard piped and changed all the stuff, and we're gonna put a spigot out there. Everything, all the pipes are brand new. Everything is soldered. Nothing shark bite